Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Vibes.
Welcome back. Here we focus on helping you speak English fluently through a unique approach called the natural practice method.
That's right. This method combines listening and reading while also explaining and using the most important words in different contexts in every lesson.
Today, we'll explore a short article titled The Power of Discipline.
Okay.
Let's listen to the text now.
The power of discipline. Discipline is often described as the cornerstone of personal success. Without it, even the most brilliant plans may collapse into chaos. Discipline gives structure to our goals, allowing us to move forward with consistency rather than fleeting bursts of motivation. True discipline requires restraint, the ability to say no to distractions that pull us away from our objectives. It is not simply about control, but about persistence, the daily effort to stay aligned with long-term vision. Those who practice discipline learn that progress is not sudden, but the result of deliberate choices repeated over time. In moments of difficulty, discipline acts as a form of resilience, keeping us steady when challenges arise. It fosters a sense of integrity as we remain committed to our values and promises even when nobody is watching. Finally, discipline builds mastery, transforming effort into excellence and shaping a life of meaning and achievement.
Okay, so the article says discipline is the cornerstone of personal success. That's a very specific word, cornerstone.
It is, isn't it? Like from building. What exactly does that mean, cornerstone?
Well, a cornerstone is the most important basic part, the foundation, really.
Like the first stone you put down when building something.
Exactly that.
Yeah.
Everything else rests on it. It has to be strong.
So if discipline is the cornerstone, then your success in, say, your job or your studies, it all depends on that foundation of discipline.
That's the idea.
Yeah.
And we use this metaphor in other ways, too.
Right. Like you could say a strong family is the cornerstone of a happy life. It's that fundamental support system.
Good one. Or thinking about values. Honesty is the cornerstone of a good friendship.
Without that honesty.
Yeah, the friendship isn't really built on solid ground, is it? It can crumble.
Okay, so if discipline is the foundation, the article warns what happens without it. Things fall into chaos. Chaos sounds pretty bad.
It is bad. Chaos just means complete disorder. Total confusion. Everything's messy and disorganized.
Right. No structure at all. That feeling when you don't know what to do first.
Exactly. Like, without a schedule, my morning turns into chaos. Just running around, stressed out.
I know that feeling. Or in a group.
Oh, yeah. The classroom was in chaos before the teacher arrived.
Yeah.
Just noise and kids running everywhere, no order.
Total mess. Okay, let's shift gears. The article mentions avoiding fleeting bursts of motivation. Fleeting. What does that tell us?
Fleeting means it lasts for a really short time. It's temporary.
Gone quickly.
Very quickly. Here, 1 minute, gone the next. The author's saying you can't rely on something that disappears so fast.
Right, because you need something solid to build on, not something that just vanishes.
Exactly. So an example for fleeting. Maybe an emotion.
Like the feeling of sadness was fleeting. It went away quickly. It didn't stick around.
Perfect. Or think about something like fame. Fame can be fleeting if you don't continue to work hard.
It disappears fast if you don't maintain it with, well, discipline.
Precisely. And to fight that temporary feeling, the article says discipline requires restraint. What's restraint about?
Restraint. That's basically self-control, isn't it?
Yes. It's the power you have to stop yourself from doing something you want to do, but know you shouldn't.
Especially if it goes against your goals, like
Yeah.
resisting temptation.
Exactly. He showed restraint by only eating 1 cookie, even though he wanted 10. Controlling that impulse.
We've all been there. Or maybe controlling emotions.
Definitely. When I feel angry, I practice restraint and try to stay silent, holding back that immediate, maybe negative reaction.
Good skill to have. Now, talking about things holding us back, the text mentions distractions that pull us away. That's a phrasal verb. Pull us. How's that used?
Yeah, pull us or pull someone away.
Yeah.
It means something attracts your attention and moves you off your main path or focus.
Like it's literally pulling you in another direction.
Metaphorically, yes. Like a magnet drawing you away from what you should be doing.
Oh, this is so relevant today. Social media notifications always pull me away from my homework. Constantly fighting for your attention.
That's a classic example. Or it could be internal things, too, like bad habits.
How so?
His old, unhealthy habits tried to pull him away from his new diet plan. They tempt him back to the easier way.
Right, trying to lure him off track. So to stay on track despite those pulls, you need persistence. The article links this strongly to discipline.
Absolutely. Persistence means you keep trying. You continue working towards something even when it's difficult. You just don't give up.
It's that steady effort, day in, day out.
Exactly. It often matters more than just talent, like for language learning.
Right. Learning English takes persistence, not just talent. You have to keep practicing, especially when it's tough.
Couldn't agree more. Or think about training for something hard, like a marathon.
Her persistence helped her finish the long marathon training. She just kept showing up.
Rain or shine, like we said before. That's persistence. Okay, another benefit of discipline mentioned is resilience when challenges arise. What does arise mean here?
Arise. It means something appears or starts to exist, right? Like it comes up.
Yeah, it happens or occurs. Often used when something unexpected pops up that needs dealing with.
So you're prepared when a problem suddenly appears. If a problem arises during the project, we must find a solution quickly. You handle it when it comes up.
Exactly. And arise isn't always negative, interestingly.
Oh.
Well, opportunities can arise too. New opportunities often arise when you move to a new city. They just appear. And discipline helps you be ready for them.
Ah, interesting point. Okay, moving towards character. Discipline fosters integrity. That's a big word, integrity.
It is a big one. Integrity is about being honest and having strong moral principles.
Doing the right thing.
Even when nobody is watching. That's key. It's about your internal compass being consistent with your actions.
So it shows up in small things.
Often, yes.
Yeah.
She showed integrity by admitting she had accidentally taken the wrong pen. A small act of honesty.
Or keeping your word.
Definitely. It takes integrity to follow through on a promise, especially when it costs you time. Sticking to your principles, even when inconvenient.
That consistency links to the next word. Being committed. The article says we need to be committed to our values. What does committed mean?
Being committed means you feel real dedication and loyalty. To a cause, an activity, a person.
It's more than just saying you'll do something.
Much more. It means you're truly invested. You've put in the effort. You're dedicated.
So, for you listening, I am committed to learning 10 new English words every week. That's a real dedication.
Exactly. It's an active choice. Or for a team, the team is committed to winning the championship this year, so they practice hard. That's shared loyalty and dedication.
And finally, all this discipline, commitment, persistence, it leads to excellence. The ultimate goal, maybe.
Often, yes. Excellence is simply the quality of being outstanding, extremely good, top quality.
Going way beyond just okay or good enough.
Right. Reaching the highest standard possible. It's presented as the natural result of disciplined effort.
Makes sense. Like the chef's commitment to quality resulted in culinary excellence. His discipline paid off in top-tier food.
Perfect example. Or in a work context, we strive for excellence in everything we do at school, aiming for the absolute best quality.
Wow, okay. So that's 11 really powerful words, from discipline all the way to excellence.
All from that one short article. Understanding these really unlocks the text and helps you express more complex ideas in English.
Definitely elevates your vocabulary. Now, here's the really important part for you, the listener. This is key to our natural practice method.
Yes, to make these words truly yours so you can actually use them when you speak.
You absolutely need to repeat this lesson. We recommend listening at least 3 times this week.
It's how you move words like cornerstone or persistence or restraint from your short-term memory.
Or you might forget them tomorrow.
Into your long-term memory. That's where they need to be so you can recall them instantly, fluently.
Repeating helps your brain absorb the pronunciation, the way we use them in examples, everything. It makes it feel natural over time.
It really does build that fluency. So keep practicing, keep repeating this lesson, and stay committed.
You've got this. We will see you next time.
Bye for now.